this is the Whatever Show 1000. I will be having a contest, and it's a drawing contest, and the date that it will end will be August 25th. So you have lots of time, because I've been finding drawing contests, and I found one, but it wasn't a drawing contest. And it was like 2 more days away, and I couldn't do that. But yeah, she's right. And you will draw the picture of one of us. I'll tell you our names so you can put it at the top. That's Brownie. That's Cookie. I don't have a name because I am her sisters. And we're sisters too. But you can give us a name. Actually, mine's Snowball. I forgot about that. Mine is... No, I forgot my name, but it'll just be like I don't know what it will be, but you can give me a name. And I could also pick which one I like best too. So, bye!